This is me as a goofy little kid. And this is me at my favorite place ever when I was that goofy little kid. Today we're going back to rediscover this place, now as a goofy adult with a goofy little dog. Welcome to Silver Spring State Park. Buddy, are you excited? Okay, buddy, okay. Hang on. Welcome to Silver Spring State Park. And this place, I don't know why I've never put this on the channel. I grew up here. I grew up in the Ocala National Forest. I grew up as a kid coming here. It has changed a lot since I was a kid in the 80s. It used to be this massive amusement park.
The magnificent Silver River carries you through the jungle of centuries-old cypress. Legions of nature's most spectacular animals greet you. It's the Lost River Voyage at Florida's Silver Springs, the best of what Florida really is. Journey by Jeep Safari through primeval forests, teeming with life, wild and free. And explore the deep, crystal pure waters on the famous glass-bottom boats. Come to Silver Springs. It's a full day of fun and Florida at its very best.
I remember as a kid there were like snakes and reptile shows, bird shows, but now it's an actual proper state park. But what they kept were the glass bottom boats. So we're gonna go see Silver Spring itself, which is one of the largest springs in the world. Puts out like 500 million gallons of water a day. And you can rent a ride on glass bottom boats, which were invented actually in the late 1800s. They used to put windows in canoes for tourism. And they built proper boats like in the early 1900s. So it's been around for like 100 years. It's pretty cool. We're gonna do it today. It is dog friendly. Yes, buddy. Everywhere we go, I swear. Good morning.
Hello.
How are you?
Doggy biscuit. If he's
yes.
interested, would you like a biscuit?
Yes, he would.
Aww. Yeah, we do have a lot of people that come like every day and walk their dogs out.
I believe it. It was funny. I was looking at some old pictures of me, like when I was a kid, like in the '80s, coming here.
A little different, huh?
It's a lot different. Yeah, yeah. I remember like reptile shows and like this place used to be massive.
Yeah, and it's kind of just gone back to it's just natural.
Which I like, which I enjoy. That's
a lot of people do, you know. And
yeah.
it served its purpose.
It did.
If you'd like, you can continue
Yeah, I was thinking
on.
about doing this area.
You can walk
Go look
along
for
the
monkeys.
water.
It's funny. I've never seen them here, but
Monkeys are more likely to go right here at the end and go loop around the boardwalk because it takes you through the forest area.
I'll check that out. We have
All
time.
right.
We'll do it all. Thank you
right.
so much.
Have
You
fun,
ready,
guys.
buddy?
Did you eat your biscuit? You didn't eat your biscuit.
No, he's giving it for somebody else. Is that what you're doing? All right, come on. We're going this way. Come on, buddy. Have a good day. Yes, you heard that right. There are monkeys here. There are a few different explanations for why there are monkeys here. One explanation is said to be from a dude that was trying to make tourism even bigger here, and then they got out of control. And then another story says that it's from a movie, and then they breed and they got out of control. Either way, the monkeys got out of control. There are thousands of monkeys here. Still never seen one. When I was a kid, I used to drive by this place because it's what's called Highway 40. I used to drive by it every day to go to school. And I remember seeing monkeys all the time, like on the side of the road, but I've just never seen them here in the park. So I got the big camera out today. We're gonna see if we can capture some monkeys on camera. I think that would be pretty cool. Huh, here you go. Do not feed monkeys. They're macaques, in case you were wondering. Reese's macaques. We're gonna go find some macaques. This here is the Silver River. It's just a tributary of the Silver River. But you can see how clear that water is. It's so pretty. I hear rustling in this bush. Do we have a macaque? No, just a bird. We have something swimming towards us. Holy crap, I think it's a manatee. Oh, we have a manatee coming. Oh, the huge manatees. Oh my God, here they come. They are right there. That is so incredible. I mean, that is so incredible. Unbelievable. I've been here for 5 minutes. I'm speechless. That was so awesome. What luck. What absolute dumb luck. This place, man. Buddy, you were good. You were quiet. Good job. Well, I can go home now. That was awesome. Wow, this place is beautiful. Look at this. Don't say that. We're going to see him today. We're going to see him today. Positive outlook. Right, buddy?
So yesterday, they were at the bridge when you come walk up.
Right.
I'm up there looking this way, and 4 manatees came under. And they went over to the side, and they were there till I left. I mean,
Yeah.
They were just sitting there eating.
Yeah, I saw the bridge right there, right before you walked up. They went right under the bridge.
Right,
There's 3 of them.
They were going this way. And
Yeah.
Who's that?
All right, this is little Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Wyatt, who's that?
Wyatt.
I don't think he likes the boardwalk.
I was always going to get a dog.
Hey, it's never too late.
This might be the year. Right?
Never too late to save a dog's life, because they might just save yours.
Right.
Today is little Wyatt's birthday. Today he turned 3. So we are out hiking and celebrating his birthday. We're taking him out for lunch. We're doing it all today. Right, buddy? Yeah, I don't think he likes the boardwalk. Did I not mention the most fun fact about the day? This is such an important day because today, what we're celebrating, is little Wyatt's 3rd birthday.
Come on, can you groove it over? I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and
So we're spending the day hiking and exploring. So everybody, I want you to jump to the comments and wish Wyatt a happy birthday. Just do it. Just do it. Wish him a happy birthday. I'll tell him. I'll give him a treat for each one of you. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. This whole boardwalk system, I think, is new. I don't remember it last time I was here. It's nice. It's real nice. I don't know if it's a loop. I probably should have looked at a map. I'm really bad at looking at maps. over here taking some pictures, and look, right here. Actually, you can probably see it from a GoPro. There's two big manatees right there. He's mine. Yeah, you have a lot to say. You have a lot to say. Okay, we'll go. That was awesome. These are the best seats in the house. Ibis Pavilion. And this is the biggest part. This is the actual spring. This is actual Silver Springs. So this spring pumps out 500 million gallons of water every day. That's a lot of water. And this is a very popular park for kayaking. I've done it a couple times. It is a lot of fun. Mostly because they have a lot of the old structures from when it was an amusement park, like when I was a kid. I think it's pretty cool. But it's so pretty here. The water is so clear. And those are the famous glass bottom boats, which I have an 11:30 appointment to go on. No dogs allowed. All right, buddy. It's the end of the road for you. Good boy. Let's get you some water. Little dude, I will be right back. Your lip is stuck. Your lip is stuck. You be good. Don't get stolen. I know that Wyatt suffers from separation anxiety, but here's the kicker. So do I. I hate doing things without him. But I gotta go ride on this ride. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. I did not time this very well. My boat is loading right now, and I just got a coffee. But I needed coffee. Oh, it's so sweet. Why? That is my boat loading. I'm still early. I got time. I can crush this, right? Close enough. Let's go.
Now guys, welcome. My name is Captain Reef, and I'll be your guide on the water. Now, today you guys aboard the Chief Charlie Cypress. She's a third-generation glass-bottom boat. Put the service back in 1964. Together, we're going to take you guys downriver. Guys, unfortunately, I am only paid to take you guys out today. I am not paid to bring you guys back. Now, it's not just a one-liner from Disney's Jungle Cruise. We're actually operating something far worse than a jungle boat. Today, we will all be operating on a state budget. We have Tater under glass, the head spring. Tater under glass, the head spring. We're going to get out of here. We're going to let these girls get back to the nap. I got a lot more things I want to share with you as we head downriver. Looks like we might have some more manatees here in front of us. Yesterday we had over 32. Now you guys are my first boat of the day, so we're going to do a quick count as we head downriver, see how many we're working with today. Last year our record... For me, got a little here, and a little swamp puppy here. This wood kind of beneath us right here, shipwreck from 1919. Yeah. It was a steam-powered vessel, and it was delivering oranges up and down the Ocklawaha River, and it used to stop here at Silver Springs. Now when it stopped here, this one caught on fire at the boat dock. It pushed off the boat dock where it came and sank down here. And over the last over 100 years, it's been down there just slowly eroding. if you guys look straight down here, I know it's going to be a little hard to see with the shadows, but all the way there at the bottom, you're going to see the main vent. And if that cave looks familiar to any of you, well, that's because back in the day, they used this cave to hide a nuclear torpedo. But these guys, they've been down there since 1969 for the I Spy series starring Bill Cosby. Thank you guys, appreciate y'all. Thank you. Now guys, once that ramp comes down, we're going to speed up to the vessel.
That was awesome. I really enjoyed that. Made me feel like I was a kid again. Well, I think that's going to conclude my day at Silver Springs. I had a blast this morning. You know, just figure out a couple hours. It's also got a great campground that's connected to it. You can walk here. So as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Where, I don't know where I'll be. We'll see. All right, bye.
Day to day and not tomorrow.